Have you ever seen photos that have a color cast? Like when lighting of a photo creates an unnatural wash of color? Well, we can fix it. You wonder how? Follow along to learn it together. Hello from Cherries! In this video, we want to remove color cast from a photo. Open the image you want to correct its color cast. Now, from the filter menu, select Neural Filters. In the filter panel that appears, select Colorize. Super! It already removed the color cast on the white shirt, as you can see. Now, let's make it even better. For example, let's match the pants color to its original color. First, make sure to select New Layer for the output down on the right. Press OK and select New Created Layer. Now click on the layer mask. You can find it in the Layers panel far down on the right. Click on the brush tool to get your hands on the job. Continue with the brush until you get the perfect color you're looking for. Perfect! We did it! Now try it on different images to master your color cast removal skill in Photoshop.